pound of saltfish here that is soaked for a half an hour and washed, and we're going to put it to boil. Boiling for 20 minutes, now we're gonna drain it. 3 tomatoes cut, 1 scotch bonnet pepper, 4 cloves of garlic, half an onion chopped, and a piece of cilantro chopped. 3 teaspoons of vegetable oil here. We're just gonna put. So now that the oil is hot, we're gonna add the saltfish. We're gonna add the onion, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic. So we fried it for 5 minutes, and we're gonna add the tomato, cilantro. Cooking it for another 5 minutes with the tomatoes.
Yeah, that's all.
Start making the Johnny cakes, and this is 3 cups of self-rising flour, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of yeast. I'm gonna put it right in there. An ounce of butter. Have a little piece of coconut. Okay, so we blended the little piece of coconut with a cup of water. We ended up using 1.25 cups water. Alright, so we're gonna let it rest for half an hour. Let it rise for half an hour, and this is what it looks like. So we have 2 cups of oil. Gonna let that heat up. If the oil's hot, we're gonna start frying. Ah! Scared. That's amazing.